everyone! So today I've got a swatching video for you. So I was contacted by the lovely people at Born Pretty and they asked if they could send me some gel polishes to swatch and review. So that is what I'm going to do today. So I've prepped all of my tips, popped the labels on, and I'm going to swatch these colours up for you. So the first one is Empty Heart, I want to say. Empty Heart, something like that. It's like a dark grey blue. These are all colours I would not normally pick myself. I like the greys, but the rest I wouldn't normally pick. However, I've been sharing them with my clients, and once they're all popped, I think they're all really nice colours, and I can see them all being used a fair bit. I found them quite nice to apply. I like the bottles. If anyone knows me, you know I one of my rants. I hate square bottles. It hurts my hands to open them. That's the most pathetic thing to say, I know. So I do like any round or oval bottles. I like that these are slightly smaller bottles so that you don't have to worry about using all the colour before, you know, the end of use date, stuff like that. They're, you know, nice handles. The brushes are nice to use, and I did find application really easy. 2 coats and you're good to go. I've done another couple of videos. I'm not sure. I used this in a gel polish set the other day, but I'm not sure if I recorded that, so I'll have to check. But I've used these in another set, and I did in an acrylic design set. I used these to create a smoke effect on the nail too. So yeah, I was really impressed with these. These came in a cute presentation box all together. I'll pop all the information on where you can get them and stuff in the description below. But I'm just going to carry on swatching all of these colours for you to watch. So this is probably my favourite colour. Not that I'm a massive pinky person, but I just think this will be a very popular colour just because it's not too pink. It's kind of like halfway between pink and like a natural nudie colour, and I just think it would be really nice for people just wanting like a nice subtle gel polish. It's a kind of colour that will go with anything. It's feminine without being too girly, and I really liked it. So all of those have had their first coat on. I'm then going to come in with the second coat, and as you can see, that second coat just finishes it all up nicely and it gives it that really nice coverage. So again, really impressed, especially with the lighter colours, because a lot of the time when you've got like light greys or like pastels, you'll often find you have to do 2 or 3, like 3 or more coats, whereas with this I found 2 coats and it gave really good coverage. And that's about it. I'm now going to apply my top coat and cure those, and it's all finished. So let me know if you liked this video, if you found it useful, and if you'd like me to do more videos like this. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!